So welcome students. In this question you are given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x. You have a point P whose parameter is t. And from this point T, tangent and normal to the parabola are drawn. The tangent is PT, the normal is PG. Now a circle through the 3 points PTG is drawn. A circle is drawn and from the same point P you have drawn a tangent to the circle. And you are asked to find the angle between the tangent to the circle and tangent to the parabola. So what is this angle? So this angle is being asked. So what is the property that I am going to use? So you had a theorem in the chapter circles in your 10th class which says that if you have a circle, you have a tangent at a point P and you have a chord at the same point. The angle between the tangent and a chord, the angle between the tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So this angle will be equal to this angle. So this is a theorem which you have studied in your 10th class. Angle between the tangent and a chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Now is this situation in any way related to this theorem? So can you see a diagram which looks like this in this diagram? So if you see, you have a circle and you have a point P and this line is a tangent to the circle, and because the circle is passing through PTG, PT can be taken as a chord to the circle, PT is a chord and this is a tangent. So the angle between tangent and chord is asked. So the angle between the tangent and the chord is equal to the angle in the alternate segment, that is angle made by PT in this side of the segment. Because you are asked to find the angle on this side of the chord, you have to go on to the other side. So if you can find this angle will be exactly same as theta. So if that angle is theta, this angle is also equal to theta. But what is this angle? This angle is very easy to find. This angle can be found by having some idea about the slope of normal. So if you have a point with a parameter t, so what is the slope of normal? Slope of normal is nothing but minus t, because if you differentiate this, 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. So dy by dx is equal to 2a by y is 2at, that is equal to 1 by t. So the slope of tangent is 1 by t and the slope of normal is minus t. So if this angle is alpha, so tan alpha is nothing but minus t. So tan alpha is nothing but minus t. So this implies tan of, but alpha is 180 minus theta is equal to minus t. So tan 180 minus theta is minus tan theta is equal to minus t. This minus and minus gets cancelled. So theta is equal to tan inverse of t. So theta is equal to tan inverse of t. So this will be the answer to this question. So the angle which is asked is nothing but, so this angle is nothing but tan inverse t, hence this angle will also be equal to tan inverse t. And if you convert this into sine inverse, you can also write as sine inverse of t by root of 1 plus t square. So you know how to convert one inverse trigonometric ratio into another inverse trigonometric ratio. So tan inverse of t, so you have a triangle with opposite side t and its side 1. So corresponding to tan inverse of t, you have sine inverse of t by root of 1 plus t square. Thank you.